$74,000. That's the average salary for pipe welders in the US, and it only takes 6 to 10 months to train for this career. Less than a year, and you could be out there working. Want to see what that actually looks like? So here at Elite at Cincinnati, we have 56 booths, and we start classes every 2 months. You're going to be spending about 90% of your time in the booth welding. You don't have to share it with anybody. You get your own dedicated weld machine. We don't limit the amount of material students can use. So if you're a workhorse, we're going to provide as much material to you as possible. You do very minimal amount of book work. About 90% of your time is going to be spent welding in the booth. Another thing that we're going to handle while you're here is we're going to get your OSHA 10 certification out of the way. We're going to also help you with your resume. And another great thing that EWA does is we do job placements for life. So we're going to help you get that first job. And if you ever need a job in the future, you give us a call.
Enroll in our structural welding program and expect to make around $50,000 starting out. Take our structural and pipe welding program and you'll have the opportunity to double that. Take it from me, I was a student at Elite Welding Academy back in 2014. I enrolled in their 6-month program, put in the work, and hit the ground running. I was averaging 60 to 70 hours a week on the job, and by the end of my first year as a welder, I had made over $110,000.
We can change your life in as short as 6 months. So give us a call at 888-272-3809
or schedule a tour today on our website at eliteweldingacademy.com.